Strong winds wreaked havoc during the National Tree Festival held in Villa De Leyva, Ricaurte Province, part of the Boyacá Department, Colombia, on Saturday, October 12, 2024, around 3 p.m. The strong winds caused chaos at the ongoing tree exhibition in the main plaza. Tents began to collapse, injuring several people nearby, startling business owners and dozens of tourists at the time. Quick action was taken immediately by paramedics and authorities to handle the emergency caused by the strong winds. A spokesperson for the mayor's office mentioned that at least 12 people were injured.